Welcome to this tutorial. We'll introduce 8 tips for architectural visualization which are proven feasible with real projects. You will learn how to set perspectives, place vegetation, enrich the environment, and make animation. The following 2 are optimized using the tips we'll show, and you can see the changes in the overall effect. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Clear all the settings and adjust the environment according to your needs. Eye-level view is the most common perspective that can simulate human eyesight. For this commercial complex, we use the eye-level view with a field of view of 85 degrees. Without proper UV mapping, textures may appear stretched or distorted when applied to a model. You should adjust the UV of the ground material according to the perspective. For example, a large UV for the aerial view or a medium UV for the eye-level view. Imperfections like scratches, dents, or water stains can make the model appear more like a real-life object. Here, the water stain decals from the D5 asset library come in handy, but 2 or 3 will be enough. Greenery is an integral part of architectural design. You can follow these principles to place plants. First, for vegetation around the main building, use shrubs and broad-leaved trees. You can increase the leaf brightness a bit. Second, for vegetation in between the buildings, use tall trees like arbors. Third, for vegetation far away, use smaller trees with low crowns. Fourth, place a tree next to the camera. Fifth, avoid too many gaudy plants. Hence, the vegetation will become layered and organized. Using just one color tone can lead to visual imbalance and a flat, monotonous rendering. If the environment has a cold tone, you should add warm light sources to balance the picture. Here we provide a tip for quick interior decoration. Use interior parallaxes from the D5 asset library to decorate the windows with one click. After finishing the building's interior part, don't forget to add sculptures, streetlights, or other ornaments to enrich the exterior. Animation is a hot trend for the display of architectural designs. Architects will need animated assets to work with it. Luckily, D5 Render has dozens of dynamic vehicle and character models in its built-in library. You can also create high-quality animations with D5 for free. Apart from the above tips that also work for this project, you need to note that a neat glass reflection will take your rendering up a notch. In this project, the original glass facade reflected the buildings around and revealed harsh lighting inside the architecture. We removed the buildings on the opposite for viewers to see clouds floating on the glass. Then adjust the transparency and normal map of the glass, giving it a matte frosted look. The facade becomes clean and fresh. Here are the final outputs. That completes our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, which has many free tutorials.